Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. In today's video, we're going to be adding and setting up a form on your Wix site. Let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button, go to Contact and Forms, and you can choose from templates from the pre-made forms section over here, or you can create a new one from scratch. It all depends on you. To add one from scratch, we're going to click on Create New Form, and this window will open. So this is the form editor window, and this is where you will be building your form. Make sure to add a name to your form first here on this field. You can also choose to tweak the other settings below now, or you can do it later, just as long as you input your form name over here first, which is very important. We're going to go back to the Edit tab and start building our form. So on the left is where you can see elements or fields to build your form. So say, for example, we can put here a first name field, a last name field, an email field. And by the way, if you want to manage your fields, you can just click on it and click on Settings over here. And this panel on the right will appear where you can tweak some settings according to your needs or preferences. And by the way, if you also want to delete a field, you can click on it and click on Delete over here. I'm also going to be adding a title header at the top. So I'm going to go to Layout Elements and select Header. And we're going to drag and drop our header to the top. And we're going to edit the text here. So once you're done creating your form, you can then go to the Preview tab to preview it and interact with it as if it were live. Next, you can go to the Settings tab and set your confirmation message. This is also where you can add payments if you want to, add spam filters, and set your form status. This is also where you can view your language and regional format. But if you, in case, want to edit these, you're going to have to edit that on the language and region settings on your site's dashboard. And on the Submissions tab is also where you can see the submissions or the responses received from this form. So anyway, once you're done creating your form, double check things, and if everything's all good and ready, you can now click on Save and then close this window. And here is our form. Click on Save to save your changes on your site. And if your site's also previously been published, you're going to need to click on Publish again in order for the changes to take effect on your live site as well.